are you, Puchu?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How many mice did you catch today?
I caught 10 or 12 rats.
Did you have breakfast in the morning?
Yeah, bread and jelly.
Do you want to go out?
Yeah, but I can't open the door.
Shall I ask someone to open the door for you?
Will you go out, Puchu?
Yeah, open the door.
Please stay a little longer. Take me.
No, I'm not taking any cat. Now I am going to fight outside alone.
Eat some more and go out.
No, I won't eat anything. Pong, open the door.
No, I can't open the door.
Puchu, come. Let's play.
No, I won't play with you.